Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can leave your own Discord server. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So here you can see that this is my Discord server, and let me open the settings. So here you can see the option of server settings, and then you need to go to the members. So here you can see that I am the owner of the group. You can see that. So how I can remove that? So you can see that in another group, as you can see that. So let me select this one. I am not the owner, I am the member of the group. So you can see that this is my friend, that is the server owner. So if you want to leave, you simply need to click here, and you can see the option of leave server. Because I'm not the owner of the this server, so I have the facility to leave this server. So once I click on leave server, I will automatically be kicked out from this server. So this is a simple process by which you can leave any server on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.